Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest virtual walking tour video. Today, I'm excited to take you on a stroll along the romantic beaches of Krabi, Thailand. If you're a beach lover like me, then this is definitely a video you won't want to miss. Before we start, I'd like to ask you to click the like button below if you enjoy this video. Your support means a lot to me and it helps me to create more content like this in the future. It's only accessible by boat due to the towering cliffs that surround it, but the journey is definitely worth it. The clear turquoise waters and fine whites and make it an unforgettable destination.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Next up is Phranang Beach, located just a short walk away from Railay Beach. This beach is famous for its unique cave formations and crystal clear waters, which make it a popular spot for snorkeling and diving. You can also rent a kayak and explore the nearby caves and lagoons. Our final destination on this tour is Koh, a small island located just off the coast of Krabi. This pristine island boasts a long stretch of sandy beach, crystal clear waters, and plenty of coral reefs for snorkeling. It's the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun while taking in the stunning views. As our tour comes to a close, I hope you enjoyed this virtual walk along the romantic beaches of Krabi, Thailand. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know which beach was your favorite. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more virtual travel experiences.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!